7 minus 6 which equals 1. Here in the parentheses 6 minus 7 which equals negative 1. Then 1 times negative 1 which equals to negative 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction here and one multiplication here. There is a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis there is one subtraction. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, make it this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, if we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, according to PEMDAS, first parenthesis 6 minus 7 which equals negative 1. Then 7 minus 6 times negative 1. Okay, so this expression there is one subtraction and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction because multiplication comes subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply this number first. 6 times negative 1 which equals negative 6. Then 7 minus negative 6. Okay, 7 minus negative 6 means 7 plus 6 because negative minus negative which is positive. Therefore 7 plus 6 which equals to 13. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem equals to 13.